True or false? The key to success in organic chemistry is being able to memorize loads of information. Back when I was a student, that's what we believed. You have to memorize, 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 memorize. I could not have been more wrong. I could not have been more wrong as a student. Yes, you're going to have to remember lots of things, and you might even facilitate that remembering by making some flashcards. But organic chemistry is logical. It's connected. It boils down to the same fundamentals being applied in various different situations. So yes, you will have to remember things, but there's a difference between remembering and memorizing. What I hope for and expect of students is and believe is the best way forward is to rigorously apply the fundamentals to different situations. See the connections between reactions, between things. And by the way, those two fundamental concepts that we start with, the ball rolls downhill and negatives attack positives. If the more we can make connections to those types of things and reach across chapter, across concept with applying those same fundamentals, then we're going to be in position to exceed or succeed. I guess exceed our expectations, but to be successful. The other thing, the key, if I were going to pinpoint one other key, it's problem solving. Work problems, work problems, work problems. Solve the assessments in the book. Work the problems provided by your instructor. Practice, practice, practice. Right? We wouldn't prepare for a football game by simply memorizing plays. We would get out on the field and apply them. What do we do in this situation? What do we do in this situation? How do we adapt in this situation? Football players aren't making flashcards for every single situation that they encounter. They're practicing by doing. That's the key to success in organic chemistry, or at least one of them, right? There are probably others that we come up. What do you think they are? And it'll be interesting to see how your answer to that question changes as we go forward. But this is not a course for just memorization.